I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my more like a product review video. So, I was doing some auto repair videos a few days ago. I was working on my CV axle and replacing both the driver and the passenger side one. And while I was working on it, my dad noticed on the back of my sweater, a very nice sweater, that was very dirty. I like wearing dirty clothes while I'm working. I like wearing nice clothes while working and getting them dirty. I get it from my dad, in fact. But because he noticed I had these dirty clothes on, he wanted to make sure that I wear something more suited for the job. And so, in the past we've used these coveralls here, but these are a bit too thick for the fall. Right now it gets to about like 50-60 degrees Fahrenheit. And these are just a bit too thick for right now for me to use. So my dad decided to buy me some more thinner overalls, and that's what we're going to be unboxing in this video. So, right here, my dad's bought me some Dickies coveralls. It's a very popular brand. In fact, if you look on Amazon, I think you can find like 12,000 reviews for this. Somewhat expensive, like, I think we bought this for $60, but it'll be worth the price for how much auto repair videos we do, and to save my clothes from getting dirty. So, let's get right into the unboxing. I'm not sure how much this is going to stop me from wearing nice clothes anyway, because I'm so used to it, but at least it'll keep them clean. So we got the medium short. It comes in several sizes. I'm like 5'2", so I have no doubt this is going to be a bit long for me, but we're going to see just how well it fits. I'm 5'2" with a bit of a slim fit, so not a lot of clothes fit me at my size. And definitely it's going to be long, but that's okay. It's better longer than shorter. Okay, so it's got, actually let me wear it first and then we can talk about what's got on it. Okay. Alright. Seems like a decent fit. Of course I'm going to take off my sweater after this, but just so you can see. On a first impression, the zipper is kind of hard to come up. There we go. That's how it looks. Yeah, it's pretty bulky on me. Kind of oversized, but this will work for me. It's got one central zipper that goes all the way down to my my hip, basically. It has two chest or breast pockets with zippers on them. Down the center it also has buttons to keep that zipper hidden. It has buttons on the wrists. I guess maybe if you want to roll them up. I don't know if it has anything on the back, but it's got a little patch, I think, for your pen, maybe. Not sure what would go in this pocket. At first I thought it was gonna be for like a logo, but it's not see-through. It's got two regular pockets, and then just one smaller pocket, like a pocket watch pocket. So it's got these pockets, just one little pocket, and then you can actually reach inside to your normal clothes right here. Down here we have a loop. Not sure what this loop is for. Maybe it's for a hammer to wrap it around. There's a little pocket on the knee and another pocket in front of it. Very layered. There's one back pocket here, and then one zippered pocket here. And I think that's it. If anyone knows if there's anything else on this, feel free to comment it down below. But I think that's it. And when I say that's it, it's like, that's it for like a ton of pockets. So I can't understate the amount of pockets and fabric this has. Wow, very nice. Alright, so just for sake of comparison, here's the thicker coveralls. These are the ones for winter. You can see how much thicker they are. All this padding versus this thin fabric. This is like maybe more than twice as thick. And this has like way more pockets than this one does. This one only has like 3 pockets. It doesn't even have access to the inside of your their coveralls. It has leg zippers, but that's the only thing I think that this coveralls has over this one. Anyway, I'm a pretty big fan of these coveralls. I think if my if I'm not using it, my dad could get a lot of use out of it, and he probably will. So that's why it's good that we got medium short. Maybe I could go for small short, but I think this is an okay size for me. It's not going to obstruct my movement while I'm trying to work on these videos. But that's going to be it for this video. I'm Aiman, and today I just did a little unboxing and review of these Dickies overalls. If you like this video, then please like, comment, subscribe, and look at the videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the videos on my product reviews and my auto repair videos. And I'll see you in the next one. And maybe you'll see me wearing this in the next video. For now, I'm Aiman, and signing out.